I wish I could swim. Go Bucks.
I know, wasn't that great?
Yeah, good game.
Well, I think ours is like bigger.
The sponsor,
St. Patrick's.
the cheering section. Do the wave. Patrick, cheering section. Kelly. And Jessica.
Are you going to videotape it?
Can I go swimming?
Tim started.
Just as they're going halfway through, jump on it.
You guys.
Okay. Do the wave. Get in line.
Ready?
You guys ready? We're doing the wave. Go.
Okay.
You have to start it.
Oh my gosh, we have the same initials.
You have what?
We have the same initials.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. What's your middle name?
Jean.
Jean? I'm Catherine Jean.
Is it Jean?
Uh-huh.
Wow.
That's why I go by Jean now. I go by my middle name.
Oh,
I wanted to talk to you about Guatemala. Was it great?
yeah, it was really great.
This is your second time, right?
Yeah.
Come on, Jean, focus here. Look at your hand. I think I'm out of
I know. It's crazy.
Oh, Josh is in front.
No, he wants the middle weight. Be very careful. Do they have to turn around? Does Josh need to... Lean forward. I'm not saying anything. Turn it. Turn it. Yeah.
Good job, guys.
It was like on the edge.
Okay, go over there with Mr. Bailey. Let me get your picture. Oh, he's got to do...